In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rectangle tool in Tradingview. Start by looking at the left side toolbar on your chart. Find the geometric shapes icon, which is usually the 5th or 6th button from the top. Depending on your layout, it may look like a brush or a small trend line. Click that to open the drawing menu from the options that appear. Select Rectangle. Once it's active, your cursor will be ready to draw. To place a rectangle, click on the chart where you want one corner to start. Then, hold and drag diagonally to span the exact price area or time window you want to highlight. When the size looks right, click again to anchor it. Think of this as framing a region of interest so that it stands out visually every time you revisit the chart. After drawing it, you can customize the look to match your chart style. Click on the rectangle to bring up the floating toolbar. Here you can adjust the fill color to make the zone pop. Change the opacity so you can still see candles beneath it. And tweak the border thickness to make edges more or less pronounced. Subtle, semi-transparent fills work well for busy charts, while bold colors can help emphasize high-priority zones. If you need to refine the shape, click and drag any of the corner handles to resize it precisely. This is helpful when price action evolves and you want the rectangle to cover a slightly different area. To reposition the entire shape without changing its size, click near the center and drag it to a new location. This lets you keep your formatting consistent while adapting to new data on the chart. And when you are done with a rectangle or no longer need that zone marked, removing it is simple. Select the shape, then press Delete on your keyboard. You can also click the trash can icon on the floating toolbar to clear it from your chart. Keeping your workspace tidy helps you focus on the most relevant areas without clutter. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.